Hello friends and welcome to Study Lab. Let us continue with sets and relations. In this video, we are going to understand the De Morgan's law using the Venn diagram. Okay, so it's a very simple thing, but it is to be understood. So let us understand the De Morgan's law. By using the Venn diagrams. Okay, so what is the De Morgan's law? First of all, you have the A union B whole complement. What is A union B the whole complement equal to? It is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Complement means all the elements except for that set. Okay, so universal set minus that set. Okay, so let us first understand what is A union B the whole complement. Okay, so if I draw the Venn diagram, so this is suppose set A, this is set B. So what is A union B will be all of this. But we want A union B the whole complement. So we are supposed to find the complement part of A union B. So you can see what I am shading over here. This is A union B the whole complement. Everything except for A union B. Now let us see what does this imply. What is A complement intersection B complement equal to? Okay, so let us see what is A complement intersection with B complement. So this is set A, this is set B. So we will have to first of all find what is A complement. Then we will say what is B complement and we will take their common part, intersection. Okay, so let us find what is A complement. So everything except for A. So you can see everything except for A. Now we want to shade B complement. So let us shade B complement, everything except for B. So I am not going to shade B. I will shade everything except for B. Of course, I can shade A. Now see what is the common region. Which region has got the double shading in it? Okay, can you see the double shading portion is this? Okay, the portion which is outside. So this is the double shaded portion. And what is that? That is A union B, the whole complement. So what is A union B, the whole complement equal to? It is A complement intersection B complement. So this is just a visual representation. This is just a diagrammatic representation of De Morgan's law. So first law was A union B the whole complement. Now let us see the second, A intersection B the whole complement. So what is the answer for A intersection B the whole complement? So this is A complement union B complement. Okay, A intersection B the whole complement is A complement union B complement. So now let us see the Venn diagram related to this. So this is suppose set A, this is set B. So what is A intersection B is this region over here. This is A intersection B. Now we want the whole complement of it. So what should we shade? We should shade everything except for A intersection B. So this is the shaded region. Okay, we are shading everything except for A intersection B. A intersection B, the whole complement. Now let us see what is A complement union with B complement. So this is set A, this is set B. Now you know what is A complement? It is everything except for A. So this is A complement. So what I am shading over here is A complement. Now let us shade what is B complement. So B complement, you can see once again it is the same thing we have seen in this diagram also. But this time we are not going to find the intersection, we are going to take the union. That means all the elements will be taken. Okay, so if you see all the elements have to be taken, but this region is never shaded. So this will not be included. So what is A intersection B the whole complement? You can see it is A complement union B complement. You can see these two regions are giving the same answer. This set and the other set gives the same Venn diagram. So that is why A intersection B the whole complement is A complement union B complement. So this is just a representation of the De Morgan's law in Venn diagrams. So hopefully this video was understood by everyone. Let us go to our next video. Stay tuned to Study Live.